Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 20th of November 2020 and currently time is 1:27 p.m. Okay traders. So coming on to our today's trade traders, today I have got late. So I have took our entry in LT, that is last and turbo. Here you can see that we have taken entry just a few minutes ago here at this candle. So price is at our cost price. Traders, our stop loss is this near swing high and we are targeting for this target. You can see that it is the swing low or the low of yesterday. Okay traders, so this is our simple trade. Let's see what happens. Also, I will tell you that I have traded for 11 quantities by managing our risk. So this was our trade traders, and I will update you when it will show some momentum. So traders, it's now 3:05 p.m. and you can see nothing happened. The price spent at time near our cost price and it is now at our cost price only. Okay traders, so as you know that we are intraday trader, we are not going to take our position for tomorrow, so we are exiting at the market price and you can see there is no profit, no loss today. So okay, that also happens. So now I am exiting my trade. So close position. And okay, so our order has been executed. Let's remove this tool also. So traders, this was our today's trading video. Hope you enjoyed it and got something to learn from it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.